Hello, today I will show you how to easily make detachable cable mod for Beyerdynamic DT770, DT880 or DT990 headphones. These would be great headphones if they had a removable cable. It took Beyerdynamic almost 20 years to release the new DT770 Pro X limited edition headphones, which finally have a pluggable cable with mini XLR connection. It's just a shame that the DT770 Pro X cost almost $200. You can get the classic DT770 for almost 2 times lower price. By doing this removable cable upgrade, you won't have to worry about a broken cable. You can use any 3.5mm audio cable with these headphones. You can use a coiled cable, you can use a headset cable with mic and buttons and any your favorite cable. To do this detachable cable mod, you need to buy a 3.5mm socket. Both 3-pole and 4-pole are suitable there. If you are using a balanced headphone amp, then a 4-pole socket is the way to make these headphones for balanced amp. The link to the sockets is in the video description. I will use this stereo 3.5mm socket as I don't have a balanced headphone amp. You will still need a 3.5mm jack if you want to keep the original cable. Also, you will need to ask to your grandmother for a soldering tool kit. Some heatsink tubing will also be useful. Start by removing the AirPod cushion. This can be done quite easily by pulling it off. Also remove the other AirPod so you don't damage it with a hot soldering iron. Then remove the locking ring with a flat screwdriver, but carefully so as not to damage it. Then carefully remove the speaker driver and remove the plastic part. But be careful with the speaker driver as it is extra fragile. If you damage these micro wires, the headphones will no longer work and you will have to watch my another video on how to fix it. Cut the wires, but long enough to solder the new socket to them. Remove the metal cable lock. Pull the old cable out of the headphone housing. Now you have to decide if you want to buy a new audio cable or use the stock cable with a 3.5mm jack on it. I prefer to put a 3.5mm jack on the original cable because it is a good quality. Then straighten the wires. Then you need to make a hole in the body of the headphone housing big enough to fit the socket. You can make this hole with a Rima tool or drill. The hole needs to be big enough to hold the socket tight. With a multimeter, check which contact is left, right and ground. In my case it is as shown. Then thin the socket contacts so that the wires can be soldered better. Also thin the headphone wires. Pull the wires through the headphone housing and solder them to the socket. Just remember to do it correct. Left to left, right to right and ground to ground. Then apply super glue to the hole and the socket itself. Put the socket into the headphone housing, press it in place and apply more super glue on the inside so that it is glued in well. Then check if there is anything in the way of closing the headphones. This depends on the socket you choose. I have to tighten the contacts a bit to can close the headphone body. But be careful to not create short circuit. Then apply nail polish to the contacts to prevent future from circuits. Then put on this strange look part and close the headphone body. Put on foam filter and the locking ring. Connect the headphone cable and play a left and right channel test to make sure everything is correct. Also play a phase test video to make sure the wires are properly soldered. If everything sounds as it should, all you need to do is to put on the AirPod cushions using this small hole. It is designed so that the AirPod cups can be put on by rotating until it is all on the headphone body. Here's the result. The detachable cable mod, which makes these headphones much more portable and never again will fail in a broken cable, because you can plug in any other 3.5mm audio cable quite easily and continue use headphones. I like the way it looks. If you found this video useful, both me and my big helper grandma will be happy if you give this video a like and a sweet comment. But now back to music. Thank you.